afternoon to my peeps. Welcome to my world.
What are you doing?
I'm just doing a different intro, that's all. I just was in the, I felt this, something said, I'm doing the swan dance.
Oh my God.
It's the swan dance. Oh, damn
Please
it.
don't fall over.
Hi, everybody out there in my wonderful world of peeps. Yes, it's me, Momma Cherry. Do y'all know who I am? Why not? Well, if you don't, why not? You should. Because guess what? I'm the new mama on the block. And the mama ain't going nowhere. Mama done been on a YouTube course. Mama got her groove back.
Honestly, the way you talk about yourself in the third person just spins me out.
Because that's what I am. I'm a third person people. Okay?
Third person people.
That's who I am.
Fair enough.
Because sometimes I look in the mirror and I go, who's that? And then this reflection comes back and it goes, it's me, Mama. I'm your other side. I'm that side of you that, because, you know, basically I'm very shy. I am.
Okay, Mum. All right.
I mean, okay.
Okay, Mum.
A lot of y'all don't know. When I talk to you, I'm talking to you as Momma Cherry.
She is always like this. Do not even let her try and fool you. This is not an act. This is not a drill. Momma Cherry is Mama Sharita. This is her.
No.
Yes, Mother. Don't even try it.
Sharita.
Don't even try it.
Which was my birth
Oh,
name.
please.
Was a very quiet and shy person. I could barely talk in class.
You rubbish.
I didn't know how to raise my
Oh,
hand.
God, you're such a liar.
Then all of a sudden, it's my ouch! I just bit
That's what you get. That's what you get for trying to tell lies. That's what you get. Instant karma.
Oh my God! I bit my tongue.
You okay?
No, that hurt. Ouch!
Right, get on with it.
All right. Hi, everybody. Yeah, this is how we roll. And sometimes it takes us 5 minutes to even get to the recipe.
Right.
But you know what? It don't matter. Because you're going to stick by me. Because guess what I'm going to do today? I'm doing one of my don't bend it. Ow! You got to spin it. Recipes. Now, who would have thought that I would get inspiration from a dead behind plant?
You can say the word, Mum.
Dead ass plant.
It's not dead.
Well, it's dying.
Yeah.
It is dying.
It smells amazing.
But it smells amazing.
Still, you know.
So I've got this basil, and it's not at its best. And I thought I need a recipe with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking all of these leaves, all of the dried ones, the withered ones, the shriveled ones. I'm stripping it down. And I thought it would be really cool to come up with some kind of like a marinade. It's kind of like my jerk seasoning, but it ain't. But it's kind of like that. And then also, look at my coriander plant. It didn't seem...
Yeah, it's seen better days.
It's seen better days, so I'm just going to rip it off. Throw it in there.
Are you going to use these? Are you going to save these ones?
These are your ones that you get at the supermarket, really cheap. I'm just going to go out and get myself another one.
Okay, so you are going to use all of them.
I'm going to use all of this. So
okay.
at least this way, I've got, it's kind of, I'm going to be kind of making like a pesto.
It smells so good, Mom.
I know, it's good. But, you know, you look at this and you would think, nah, nothing to do with that. So, to this, I'm going to add some fresh spring onion. Okay, so let's just cut the end off there. Put that there. And
Mom.
I'm sorry. I had me some asparagus left over.
You're not.
I am.
Really?
Really? Yes. Why not?
No. Yeah, I'm just...
Why not? I'm blending it all together.
Okay.
So why not? Why not? Throw it in. Y'all know me. If I can use it, I'm going to use it. So, spring onion. Just roughly chopped.
Clearly the asparagus is optional.
Of course. But it's because I had it. And then this, I'm only putting a tiny bit
of Scotch bonnet?
Scotch bonnet, but I'm only going to use a tiny bit of this
I noticed
chili.
you haven't got the seeds in it either.
And it's got no seeds, and it's just to give it a little bit of flavor. Then we've got here a fresh lime. So, let's get this. And what I'm going to do, cut that end off there. It's a little bit of a rotten. And I'm going to, and this one is drying out. So
let me have a look. Oh yeah, you can.
So it's good to just kind of get this in. So I'm taking some of the skin off, but some of it I'm going to use because it's good zest. So going to just cut that.
Okay, so because you're blitzing it, you don't need to juice it. Got it. Okay.
I'm not juicing it because I'm blitzing it.
Fair enough.
And then to that, stay there. Going to add some olive oil. Generous amount. Going to add some love dust, baby. Yeah.
Okay.
And we go peon.
Let's see how much you're going to use.
Peon.
Okay.
And then going to get my blender here, my hand blender. Okay, now it's missing.
Let me hold it for you.
All that?
Yeah, I got it.
It's just missing some salt, and you do need a generous amount
Okay.
of your
Johnson pepper as well.
rock salt. Now it's got Scotch bonnet. I don't need the pepper.
Fair enough.
Okay, let's see.
How is it?
Oh, that's nice.
Can I taste it?
And it's very different to my jerk seasoning because of the basil. It's milder.
Oh, that's delicious.
Okay?
That's really nice.
Really good.
That would go with chicken. That would go with fish.
Go with anything.
Yeah,
Good.
lovely.
What
What are you going to do it with?
Now I'm going to do it with chicken. Now
Okay.
watch what I'm going to do.
Right.
So, okay.
Oh my goodness.
So, get your breast. Rest your hand on. Cut through. Okay, that's alright. Don't matter. That one's thin. Then, I'm going to take a plastic bag. Lay it down.
Could you use cling film or ceramic?
Yes, anything. This is just to protect your, whatever you're bashing it with. And this is just to make this chicken a bit thinner, as you can see.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
See the difference between that and this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let's leave that laying there. Let's do our next one. Now, if you over bash it, you will break it. Like that. Okay, so, but that's easily fixed. Just overlap it, go back over, and gently. Just gently. Okay?
Yeah.
And you can fix that. Alright, and we have one more to do here. And there's two more. Let's lay this one here. Bring that over. And let's just mash this down. Cool. Coolio! Now, lay them all out. Because the next step is we're going to get some love dust. Sprinkle it over. Then you're going to get some of your sauce here. I'm going to save some of this because this is good.
Delicious. It's
This
really
is
nice.
good. And
That would be
then,
nice with like a pasta even.
Yeah.
Like a pesto. Alternative
because
pesto.
it is a type of pesto, because with the basil in it, if I'd have used pine nuts or any other kind of nuts. Parmesan. Now, watch. Then, what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to roll it. So it's going to be like a pinwheel. So let's roll that. Okay, leave it there. You wait till you see what I do when it comes out of the oven. Roll it. Put it there. Roll this one. And now, Katrina, can you see there's some bacon there? Can you get me the bacon?
In your brain again. I knew that.
Okay, my hands are really... Can you take me out 3 strips, please?
Yes, of course.
So I want 3 strips of bacon. See, I'll wash my hands at the end, but I'm not going to go from my fresh chicken straight to something else because that is a type of cross-contamination.
Okay, hold on.
And we don't contaminate our food.
There's 4 pieces.
All right, that's
there.
fine.
Oh, no, that's... I can't...
That's 4. That's 4.
Okay, great. Right.
Okay, because they're quite thin. So these are streaky bacon.
Or in America, just bacon.
Just bacon. Bacon rations. And what we're going to do with this, we're then going to take our bacon. I'm going to wrap it. Okay. Oh, this is going to be good.
I'm looking forward to tasting this.
So, I'm just going to now just take the rest of this to go over, but that's nearly finished now, so I'm just going to use this. I'll put this on a spoon here, because I will use it. There we go. And then put that there to be washed. So, this is now going to go into the oven, probably for about 25 minutes, tops. Oh, that's good. But it ain't ready yet. So, come to me. I'm whispering, and the reason why I'm whispering
You're going to
is...
shout any second.
She know me too well!
I know what you're like.
Because I want y'all to like, comment, and share this video, please. Otherwise, Mama gonna come and get you.
Oh gosh, you don't want that, trust
She
me.
gonna give you a big hug and a kiss. But she gonna come and get you. So, we'll come back to you when that comes out of the oven and I'll show you how we serve this. Because this makes a really nice appetizer. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? I've literally just taken these out of the oven. The chicken part is cooked. However, the bacon is not crispy enough. So, I'm going to crisp it up in my air fryer.
Oh, cool.
So all I'm going to do is lift these, put these in the air fryer, close it, and just let it finish because it will make it go nice and crispy, the bacon. And then we'll be ready to slice it up. Okay? Hola mis amigos y amigas, ¿cómo estás? ¿Estás? Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see here. Oh, yes. That did the trick. Look at here. Look at here.
Oh, wow. That looks great.
Now, look at these.
Looks really good.
Don't they look nice?
They look fantastic.
Now, look. Just here, as you can see, that's another dish. And this is my chicken breast filled with macaroni and cheese. And this one here, for this current recipe, is my chicken breast wrapped in bacon with my homemade pesto sauce. And this is the way you serve it. Watch. I'll show you in a minute.
I'm saying this is a good appetizer.
So, watch.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
So this would make a really nice little appetizer or just a dinner. So we're going to taste it.
Yeah.
There you go. You take that bit.
Thank you. Ah!
Hot.
Very hot.
Mm.
Mmm.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
I've got a bit of the zest of the lime.
Mm-hmm.
So I need a little bit more salt for me. But other than that, really good. Hot, Mum. Mo, it's vinegar.
I know, I was just testing you. Mm.
Yeah, for me, I'd add a little bit of salt, but other than that,
Yeah. Mm. But you like your salt.
I need it. Yeah, yeah.
Mm. That's very nice. So,
It's delicious.
here we go. 2 very different but very similar chicken dishes. Enjoy, my people. A little bit of peace, a little bit of soul, a little bit of love, baby. And ow! From the mama, goodbye.